Hey everybody, welcome back to Tint House again. It's Dan here. We've got something really cool and unique we're working on today. We've got the new X5M and we're doing something out of the ordinary with it. We're doing a full color change, matte black PPF conversion. Let's head over and check it out. Well, as they say, guys, actions speak louder than words. Check it out. This thing's gone from zero to hero in a very short period of time. It was a BMW individual color signal green. It is now matte black with the UPPF satin black PPF conversion. This thing looks absolutely wild. So guys, when you're doing a PPF color change, it's absolutely crucial we get all edges covered. It needs to be comprehensive as hell. We need to have no color change and no color bleed whatsoever on any of the edges, corners, or inside any of the little channels. And we've absolutely nailed it with this one. It looks perfect. It looks like a factory matte black frozen finish. Check it out. We've gone with the XR black ceramic window tint from XPEL, which is going to give it 88% IR heat reduction. Gives it a nice aesthetic as well to match the privacy glass on the rear of the car. So it looks nice and consistent now when you're looking down the side of the vehicle, but most importantly, it's going to give you great heat rejection and fantastic UV rejection as well. So guys, when looking to either protect your car or even do a cool colour change PPF, come and see the guys at Tint House, the #1 in the game. This is the first one of these that we've done, but obviously first of many to come, and we've absolutely nailed it, so you're in very good hands with Tint House. We've got your back covered. Till next time guys, keep on rocking.